The exponent property of logarithmic functions. Solve for x. 4 to the x power equals 22. Here we have a variable x in the exponent position. We need to use the exponent property for logarithms in order to get the x out of the exponent position. The property states that log of y to the x equals x log y. That means that whenever we have the log of a number raised to another number, we can take that exponent and move it out in front of the logarithm. In order to solve our problem, we'll first take the log of both sides. So I have the log of 4 to the x equals log 22. Next, we'll move the exponent out of the exponent position. So I'll take x and move it in front of the log. Now I have x times log of 4 equals log of 22. Now the log of a number is just another number. The log function is found on your calculator, and it's usually identified by the letters LOG. We're going to use that button in our next couple steps. Our next step is to divide both sides by the log of 4. This will get the x by itself on the left side. So I'm left with x equals log 22 divided by log of 4. Now remember, these logs are just long decimal numbers. We put LOG in front of it so we don't have to write the entire long decimal. But we're going to use our calculator in order to compute this number. To do that, find the LOG button on your calculator. Then push the number 22 and then select equal. You should get a decimal of 1.3424222681. Next, we're going to take the log of 4. So select the LOG button on your calculator, type in a 4, and then select equals. And you'll get a decimal of 0.60205999913. Next, you can divide those two decimal numbers to get an answer of 2.22971581. And we want to round our answer to 4 decimal places. So x is approximately 2.2297. Now just as a side note, if we wanted to use our calculator without writing this step, on your calculator you can just type in log 22, then the division sign, and then log 4 and push the equal button, and you should still get the 2.2297 as your final answer.